What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel and to another episode in the lawn with the Lawn Sensei. Today's video has been sponsored by Petratools and my good friends at Super Clean. Stay tuned until the end of this video for a giveaway announcement. Thanks to Petratools, today we are going to apply as a first fertilizer application the 2800 quick and slow release fertilizer. Essentially, this 2-in-1 liquid lawn fertilizer formula provides 70% quick release nitrogen for rapid green and grow and 30% slow release nitrogen for ongoing growth between applications. The recommended application is 5 ounces per 1000 square feet or 10 ounces if you have a deficiency. I will be using 10 ounces per 1000 square feet since it is my first application of the year. Today I will also apply to my lawn lime, which is intended to keep raising my soil pH. Last year I have used with great success the Jonathan Green Magical Plus, which I still intend to use during this season, but also wanted to try something different. I will show my soil test result here on the screen in a second from last year and this year. I'm also adding my fungicide preventative during this application, as I have been suffering from leaf spot last year during this time, as well as an application of Humic12 at 6 ounces per 1000 square feet. Please note that although we are in May releasing this video, these applications were done on April 23rd, and before releasing this video I wanted to see the result first to give my opinion. Here is after a day from the application, and this one is a day 4 before and after the move. Overall, I think that Petratools 2800 was up to the task. On the first week after the application, my lawn growth increased substantially and slowly reduced during the coming weeks. My application overall lasted 4 weeks. If I had to do things differently, instead of using the 10 ounces per 1000 square feet, I would simply use the 5 ounces per 1000, as I had to cut the grass almost every other day for the first 2 weeks. If you are in for a liquid quick and slow release fertilizer for your lawn, I would definitely recommend the Petratools 2800, which is also pet safe. Ending this video, and thanks to my good friends at Super Clean, I would like to announce my very first giveaway. Super Clean is giving away 1 can of Super Clean aerosol and 1 bottle of original Super Clean. The only request that was done is that the winner needs to be a US citizen in the lower 48 states. To enter this giveaway, please go back to my Super Clean video I made last year. I will be adding a link above and on the description below, and add hashtag SuperClean in the comment section. Winner will be chosen on May 28th. Thanks for watching, and if you are new to the channel, consider to subscribe. Leave me a like and I'll see you to the next video. Peace.